Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. This is the first time stopping by. Thanks for checking us out. We're using the Frontier OS27, built by Norwood Sawmills, 27-inch diameter log, 22-inch total cut, they claim. And it will do a 22-inch, and I've done a little bit bigger if you take off the blade guides. But I use that mill, with which I also have another 8 foot of extension, so I can do almost 19 foot. I use that mill to make these fantastic 4x6s and a couple of 1x8s, a couple 1x8s or 1x7s. And these are super clear. There's no knots. There's any knots in that 1x7. So that'd be an FAS board right there. These 4x6s have a few knots in it. I got a little bit of punkiness in the behind me, but I'm really happy with it. So check it out. This runs clean today, guys, and it's the week after the New Year's. No mistakes on the mill today. Everything goes according to plan. So check it out, and we'll see you at the mill. I need 4x6s, and I need 2 of them. So I needed a 10-inch minimum log. That will give me a 7-inch cant. This is white oak. It's another beautiful log. It's 7 foot 6 inches. It was 10 inches on that side, 12 inches on this side. So we'll get our 4x6s out of this with no problem. I do have a freshly sharpened Rippers 37 on there right now. Seems to be cutting like a laser beam again. Hopefully nothing like last week or 2 weeks ago at the sawmill happens, and 2024 starts off clean. So let's get this turned up. Is this clear? This would be FAS wood if I wanted it to be. There's no knots. One little knot right there. everything went smooth today, guys, and I'm really happy. Again, the Frontier Sawmill keeps on giving. I am so pleased with this purchase. 3 years I've owned it, and I've not had any problems with it. For the money, that mill has paid for itself several times. We estimated close to going into the summer, almost 50,000 board feet on that mill. I do keep track of it to some extent. But anyhow, these 4x6s turned out nice. A little disappointing. I got a little punk down here on this end. From here to here. But it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Well, it's not as bad as it could be, I should say. I remember I did, right at the very beginning of the video, you might recall, I poked a little spot in the center to see how hard it was, and I thought it was hard. It was about the size of a dime, but then it opened up. But the first two boards were pretty good. There is not a knot on that board. That would qualify for an FAS board right there. Now, these 4x6s, they ended up with some knots at the center of the tree. But these are really clean. I'm happy with those 1-inch boards. But this will go on a project I'm doing outside. So, all right, guys, that's going to do it. Happy New Year again. If I haven't mentioned it yet, this is my second video in 2024. We're off and running, and let's see where 2024 brings us. I do have a few projects planned for this spring. I also have a big project for my knee coming up in a couple of weeks. I'm getting knee replacement. So keep me in your thoughts, February 14th. I've been working hard trying to get that knee ready to go. So I might even do a little vlog about that. A lot of you guys are my age, so if that's something you'd be interested in seeing, how I'm dealing with it. You know, I've always tried to stay fit and in shape, so hopefully that will help. I'm really working out hard right now, trying to get in even better shape, so just make it a little bit easier. So that's coming up, and that's going to set me back probably a couple of weeks. Well, a knee. I think light duty after 6 weeks, but I see outside with Dell, he's, after about 6 weeks, he's been out in the wood yard, and I'm really excited about that, because if that's, you know, that's me. That's going to be me. So, but in the meantime, I'm going to keep putting out videos as long as the weather keeps cooperating, guys. So, all right, take care. We'll see you at the mill next time.